Before we begin the session, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from us.
While establishing an industry, there are certain points that you keep in mind in order to ensure its state of running in the long term scale. The most important one of it being the ability to calculate risks, predict its outcomes, provide alternative solutions, and predicting the market activity based on those calculations. In earlier times, performing these tasks was much easier as the data availability was very much less as compared to now. Now, with the addition of big data, the data which we have access to has become much more complex and almost impossible to fetch on our own by using the old conventional methods. This is where data science comes into play. It provides the insights of the data for its further predictions and calculations so as to keep the business running smoothly. Therefore, the requirement of data scientists in industries is increasing abruptly. Hello everyone and welcome to Intellipaat. In today's session, we will be discussing about the industries where data science is most in demand. With that, let's move on to our agenda. Firstly, we'll see what is data science, then its advantages, who is a data scientist, then we will see the need of a data scientist in industries and the industries having most demand for data scientists. Now we'll move on to our first agenda, that is what is data science. Data science is a field of computer science which handles all the terminologies related to data, be it visualizing, processing, predicting, or extracting the vital information from noisy or unstructured data. It is done with the help of certain scientific methods and algorithms based on the type of outcome. That leads us to our next agenda, that is advantages of data science. Well, in simple words, it helps in giving the insights of the inputted data in order to extract relevant knowledge for further processing. Now let's focus on the importance of data science. Data science helps industries in making important decisions carefully by agitating raw data into meaningful insight. It helps companies to improve their marketing strategies by analyzing their data. It gives rise to innovation of product design by creating insights within the traditional designs. It helps in analyzing and trapping noisy data, thereby reducing data redundancy. It also helps in fraud detection, energy exploration, and environmental protection. That brings us to our next agenda, that is who is a data scientist. The person who is responsible for functioning of all these terminologies is known as a data scientist. With a constant increase in the demand for data scientists among industries, it is becoming as one of the most promising careers in the IT sector. Nowadays, everything and everyone is connected with internet, which leads to the release of massive data, which is indeed very difficult to handle as most part of it includes the noisy data. Every industry wants to have their data arranged and the noise to be reduced to minimum in their data sets in order to be capable of data-driven decision making. Therefore, data scientists are in most demand. Now let's take a look at those industries. Firstly, we have the finance industry. This industry includes banks, real estate sectors, investment firms, and all the finance related sectors. They use data science for most part being the calculation of market related activities among with fraud detection and risk management. Data science can be said to be the pillar holding and protecting this industry. They use data to recognize unprofitable customers and deals, detect fraudulent activities and scams by the implementation of predictive modeling. Machine learning is used for the implementation of all the algorithms carrying out these functions. The top jobs in demand of data science is finance industry including application support analyst, machine learning modeler, team lead, associate data scientist and risk modeler. Next up we have the IT sector. In this sector, data scientists are needed for product development, cybersecurity, service development, patent protection, as well as to provide innovative strategies and ideas on the technical aspects in order to reduce costs and increase efficiency. The top demands for job roles in this sector include research scientist, information system manager, data science analyst, and junior data scientist. Next up, we have healthcare. The healthcare industry uses data science for analyzing the healthcare data or statistics in order to produce actionable insights from it. For example, mapping the spread of a particular disease or infection in order to increase the efficiency of healthcare facilities and treatment procedures. A data scientist in healthcare industry can contribute towards developing several ways for improving and securing lives. The top in-demand jobs in this industry include senior data data scientist, healthcare statistician, and healthcare data scientist. Next up, we have healthcare. This sector hires data scientists because of their knowledge and expertise in processing and analyzing massive data sets collected from different platforms. They contribute towards understanding the consumer's needs, behaviors, and market trends in a much better way by producing insights from the market data to improve the services of retail business. The top in demand jobs include applied scientist, data scientist, head of machine learning, and senior project data analyst. Now I have reached the end of this video, so let's conclude. The demand for data scientists in every sector is increasing day by day, and indeed is turning out to be one of the most secure and stable jobs in current times. One must have the comprehension of statistical analysis, understanding of tech industry programming languages, knowledge of data visualization in order to be industry ready data scientist and play a valuable role in any sector. That's all for this video. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.
If you want to make a career in data science, then Intellipaat has IIT Madras Advanced Data Science and AI Certification Program. This course is of very high quality and cost effective, as it is taught by IIT professors and industry experts.